Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Anne. What is up with Anne? What is up? I hope you're doing good. I am doing really good today. I feel great. I put on a nice outfit. I'm a little dressed up, got my makeup on, my hair did. So I'm feeling really good today. I don't always. Some days are better than others. Today is an exceptionally good one. So I'm grateful for that. Today, I'd like to talk about discipline. I had a conversation with a group of teenagers recently about discipline. We were working on a dance that with some advanced dancers. I work with youth. I am a dance educator, and I learned so much from teaching kids. And I was able to use some of this information that I've been gathering about personal development in a lesson. And basically, I was watching them dance, and some of them have really mastered their technique, and they can really get past worrying about their technique and tell the story and add emotion to it. And the subject came up about how we get to that place, and that is through discipline. So the phrase that came to mind between one of my fellow instructors, Miss Lisa, hi Miss Lisa, hope you're watching, and we started talking about discipline equaling freedom. Now, you don't normally equate those two words, but truly, discipline employed properly can create a great deal of freedom. And the way I look at it, that I can give you an example, is through artistry, because say, for instance, you have someone who's studying dance, and they spend a lot of time and effort being disciplined by going to those classes, by repeating the information, by working on their technique until they can gain mastery over their technique. Because if they can get past the steps, get past worrying about whether they can execute certain movement, if they can get past that, then they can add the emotion into it. They can become storytellers. So there's such a great deal of freedom when you employ discipline on a regular basis. And I think that can apply to just about anything. If you employ discipline in your life when it comes to diet and exercise, you become more free in your body and with the things that you can do. You're not lethargic. You're not wanting to go lie down. You're feeling good and you're wanting to be out there and free and running around. And also feel like if you're, like say you're a writer, if you can get past, sentence structure and, the grammar and those types of things, there's a technique to writing for sure, right? And so once you get past the technique, you can really start to tell a story and create emotion and pictures through your writing. So I think that can go just about for anything. If you employ discipline to create good habits, change your paradigm. Paradigm is a multitude of habits that have been handed down by generations and created in your young life. If you can figure out how to change those paradigms to healthy ones through the discipline of your life, the things that you do, that you give yourself that command and then follow it, that's what discipline is, you will find a great deal of freedom. So I want to encourage you to employ some discipline in your life today. You might not think it's fun at the time, but as you get good at it, you're going to really find that it creates freedom in your life, and that will create some happiness. So go take on the day. I hope you have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe and make a comment. What do you think about that? Do you think discipline is the key to freedom? I do. So I'll see you next time on the morning shift with Anne. Take care.